Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the morph filter on TikTok, the face tracking filter on TikTok. So I'm in the TikTok camera screen. On the bottom right corner here you can see photo template. Tap there and you will see different templates. The first one is Merry Christmas. Just slide and you will see face morphing template. So this is the template. Okay, at the bottom tap on select photos. So minimum we have to choose 2 photos and we can choose up to 5 photos. Let's go to the download folder. Okay, so let's choose 5 photos. Okay, sorry, 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'll choose one at the bottom, 5. Okay, the last one didn't came nice. You can always go back and change your edit. Okay, let's remove this one also. Tap OK once again. You can always go back and edit until you are happy with your clip. Once you are done, at the bottom right corner you can see this next button. Tap there and you are ready to post it to TikTok, and you can save it to your camera roll. So that's it guys. Likewise you can use the morph filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.
I'm out.